I love the elephants, they're so nice.
We are for 3 days in Chiang Mai and we show you how this goes.
Yeah, it's a late lunch, I would say. It's 2:15.
Okay.
It's safe to say the one thing Marcus misses the most in food in Switzerland is Wienerli or small sausages. We found another night market, which is amazing, and we're trying to find some food.
Yeah, hungry! Yeah, first impression of Chiang Mai, simply wonderful.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, good morning.
So first on our agenda today is the coconut market here in Chiang Mai.
Yeah,
And afterwards we'll see what we find.
we will. On the way to the temple Wat Lok. First time tuk-tuk for me. now at the temple Wat Lok Moli, and again it's so amazing. This art is so wonderful. Seeing all these temples, I'm so amazed by all these little details here in the art they do. That's so amazing. So far we have seen a lot of temples and night markets, and to be honest we can't get enough, so we are going to another night market. We are walking through this night market and it seems to be never ending.
Yeah.
How many markets are there?
I don't know, it's one big market. I think after this one we have seen it all.
That's our destination. Next night market. After 2 hours we left the night markets. Sabrina, did you count? How many did we?
I have no idea. I think it all was one. Lots of small ones combined to a big one.
Yeah, I think it was like 4, maybe 4. Well, we are on our way home now. Sorry you've seen it all.
There's one more.
So it's now 9:30 and we are definitely going home to sleep. Oh, a night market. This morning we are on our way to an elephant sanctuary. you.
For the elephants. I'm watching.
Look at banana.
Ja, stimmt, du machst schon ein Brot.
Ja.
It's like baking a bread. I love the elephants, they're so nice.
What did we do?
So we went for a walk to see them, and then afterwards we cut some sugarcane and fed them to them.
Yeah.
They ate it themselves, we didn't give them.
We made some medicines, which is actually a little bit more like supplements and vitamins for their food, for their diet. So why did you choose the tour?
I've read a lot about good tours with elephants, and usually there's tours where you can feed them by hand, or you can touch them, or you can wash them, or even ride, which is a lot frowned upon. And I was looking for a tour that didn't do that. It's just not natural in the elephant's behavior, and they get very anxious if there's lots of people around and people they don't know. So that's why we chose this tour, where we didn't get to touch the elephants, but we were close and could see them. It was awesome.
Yeah. Are you saying goodbye? Goodbye.
Marcus is too tall for 7-Eleven.
This is our last night in Chiang Mai. How did you like it, Sabrina?
It was very beautiful. I think the 3 days we spent here, or the 2.5 days, probably weren't enough. We could have spent here a week easily and always have something to do. But oh well.
Yeah, it was so cool. I really somehow fell in love with Chiang Mai. It's such a cool city. And we had so much good food, and tonight we will have also so good food, I hope so. Yeah, it was very cool.
It's a reason to come back, so it's always good.
Yeah, and tomorrow we will go on.